Hello everyone, welcome to FENTL. I know it's been long that I posted a video in this channel, so apologies for that. I'll try to post videos regularly in this channel. Also, thank you for being subscribed to this channel. If you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe and let's go into today's topic. So today's topic is cardio versus weightlifting. So before we compare both, let's talk about what is cardio and what is weightlifting. Cardio is basically cardiovascular exercise. Whatever work you're doing that increases your heart rate is cardiovascular exercise. So why do people do these exercises? Basically, when you're doing these exercises, your body uses oxygen to convert calories into energy. So people prefer to do these exercises to burn fat and to reduce body weight. There are so many things that comes under cardio. In fact, even weightlifting comes under cardio because when you're doing exercises also your heart rate increases. Not only exercises, even the household chores like sweeping, mopping, all these comes under cardio. So what is the main difference between cardio and weight training? Cardio is mainly for weight loss, whereas weightlifting or resistance training is to build muscles. As I said earlier, weightlifting is also a part of cardio. So along with building muscles, during weightlifting or resistance training, you will also burn calories and reduce fat. So my personal preference is definitely weight training because you can achieve both muscle building and weight loss at the same time. As I said, every work that increases your heart rate comes under cardio. There are so many things that fall under this criteria, like walking, running, swimming, jogging, cycling, exercises, even sports, everything comes under this criteria. So which one should you prefer? My personal suggestion is always to go for weightlifting or resistance training because it helps you to build muscles, strengthen your bones, and at the same time it helps you to reduce fat and burn calories also. But due to health reasons or old age or any personal preferences, you are not preferring weight exercises, it is perfectly okay to go for cardio. But one thing you should remember is, with cardio, you cannot increase more muscle. Swimming is also one of the best cardio I would suggest. Also, it is not compulsory for weight training or resistance training to go to gym. You can watch my earlier videos where I have posted home workouts and also the intense home workout which falls under cardio also. Again, it's your personal preference which one you prefer and what is your criteria, whether you want to reduce weight or you want to build muscles or you want to do both. So my preference, as I said earlier, is always weight training, but in case you don't want to do weightlifting, you can still go for cardio. In case you are doing cardio, I would suggest you to increase the intensity, like if you're walking, you walk a bit faster or you walk for longer distance, something like that. Either cardio or weight training, please do warm up before doing these exercises and do them with correct form. So to summarize, I would suggest weight training or resistance training to build muscle or even to lose fat. But in case you cannot do that, you can still go for cardio. So that's it for today. As we are meeting for the first time in this year, Happy New Year to everyone. Thank you and see you in the next video.